Hello, viewers. Today, we're delving into a story that sheds light on the realities of the care system in Northern Ireland. We're talking about Rhianna Brown, a young woman who courageously shared her experiences to call for much-needed change. Let's dive into her story in the broader context of childcare services in the region. Rhianna entered the care system at 12, facing a world of uncertainty. She had 26 social workers by 18, making trust a constant challenge. Her story is one of resilience amid a system with deep flaws. The number of children in care in Northern Ireland is at an all-time high, with over 3,800 children reported this year. This increase reflects wider societal issues, including the pandemic's long-term effects and cost of living pressures. Rhianna's teenage years were a patchwork of kinship and foster care, with 18 different placements. Despite these challenges, she emerged determined to make a difference. Now 20, Rhianna is playing a pivotal role in an independent review of children's social care services. Her insights are invaluable in shaping a system that can better support young people. A recent independent review led by Professor Ray Jones highlighted the urgency of reform in Northern Ireland, with 53 recommendations aimed at improving the care system. But it's not just about policy changes, it's about changing attitudes. Rhianna speaks of being bullied for being in care, a stigma that she hopes will fade for future generations. The challenges are many, from mental health crises to poverty, and the absence of a functional assembly in Stormont further complicates progress. Rhianna's story is a call to action. It's a reminder that behind the statistics are real lives, real struggles, and the potential for real change. Let's join voices like Rhianna's in advocating for a system that nurtures, protects, and empowers. Share this story, educate others, and let's work towards a future where every child's welfare is a priority. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more impactful stories.